Some Windows settings are quietly killing your performance and you probably never touch them. Today, I will show you 4 hidden settings most people don't even know are affecting their PC speed and performance. First is transparency effects. It looks small, but on weak PCs, Windows is constantly rendering background blur and animations. To turn it off, go to Settings, then click Personalization and select Colors. Scroll down until you see Transparency Effects, then go ahead and disable it. Turning this off removes unnecessary visual effects and gives your PCs more breathing space. Next is Game Bar and recording features. Even if you are not gaming, Windows keeps background recording active in many cases. That means your system is using performance just to be ready to record your screen. Go to Settings, look for Gaming and click on it, and the new Windows will appear. If you only see Game Bar and not Xbox Game Bar, don't worry, it's the same features. Microsoft just renamed it on some Windows 10 versions. Now go ahead and turn it off if you don't use Xbox features. Turning this off gives your PC free performance. Number 3. Animation and visual effects. This is one of the biggest performance killers on low-end PCs. Every window, every click, every movement, Windows is animating it. Go to Settings and look for System, then click to open. And on the search bar, type Advanced System Settings and press Enter. A new side window will appear, then under Performance section, click on Settings to open this half menu and set it to adjust for best performance. And number 4, search indexing. This one runs silently in the background, constantly scanning your files so search result appears faster. But on older or HDD systems, it can slow everything down. Press the Windows key, type indexing options and open it. Then this menu appear. Go down to where you see modify, click on it, a new side menu pop up. Go ahead, uncheck folders you don't search often, then click OK. This reduces background scanning while keeping search usable. Now your PC isn't just randomly slow anymore because you have removed the hidden limits Windows was putting on it. If this video helped you, like, share it, and also subscribe to support this channel. The next video will be for gamers who struggle every time with lagging PC. See you all in the next one.